My dear student, today we are going to talk about chapter 7. The name of chapter 7 is acid, base as well salt. In this way, there is the different substance is given and their taste is also differ from one to another. According to we are going to talk one by one. Lemon juice sour, orange sour, vinegar sour, as well called in this way imli also sugar but any others. In this way we are going to talk about substance common salt any others amla sour, baking soda, bitter as well grape sour. In our daily lives we use large number of edible substances. Some of these substances taste sour, some of the taste bitters and some of the sweet and some of the taste is salty. Let us discuss. We are going to talk about acid. The word acid has been derived from Latin words acidus, which means sour. Thus, all sour substances essentially contain acids. The chemical nature of substance containing acidic in nature. Base. Substances which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touch are known as base. Chemical nature of such substance is said to be basic. Here is one word comes indicator. Indicator means here is the to examine the actual substance is what is that acidic in nature or basic in nature or salt. It is safe to test every substance to find out it is acidic or basic. There are some special substances that have different color in acidic and basic mediums. Indicators change their colors when added to the solution containing an acidic or basic substance. They are used to test whether the substance is acidic or basic in nature. Let us discuss about natural indicator. Here is the first litmus paper as indicators. The most of the common indicator used in the laboratories is litmus. It is extracted from lichen. It is available in two colors, red and blue. Blue litmus paper turn into reds under the acidic condition, whereas the red litmus paper turn into blue under the basic condition. Litmus paper is also available in the form of solution. Here is saying that whatever I am telling, here is already written in this way. Let us discuss about pH value of the different edible substance which is found in our natures. Here is the 7 value is given. Distilled water pH value means that is the pure salt value of and when you go from 7 to upward, it means up to the top, there where the basic nature of the substance basicity of pH value is increased. It means the strongest basicity power is increased, but when you go to from the 7 to downward, at the bottom you will found there where the strong acidity of what substance. Here is properties of acid and base. First go through the acid. Taste sour, do not feel slippery, pH value less than 7, release hydrogen plus ion in aqueous solution, crude metal react with metal to produce a compound and hydrogen gases turn into litmus paper red and pink. Let us discuss about base of properties. Taste is bitter, feel slippery, pH value is greater than 7, release hydroxyl group. Ions in aqueous solution does not, crude metals do not react with metal to produce compound and hydrogen gases. Turn litmus paper into blue. Let us talk about properties of salt. Most of the salt are crystalline solid. Salt may be transparent or opaque. Most of the salt are soluble in water. Solution of salt conduct electricity. Salt conduct electricity in their molten state also. The salt may be salty, sour, sweet, bitter, and on many savory, net neutral. Salt are odorless. Salt can be colorless or colored. Uses of acid. Acid have numerous uses, some of which are included. We have to hydrochloric in stomach, that is also used to digest our food. Sulfuric acid H2SO4 in car batteries as well, drying agent used. Nitric acid HNO3 is manufacture of fertilizer. Ethanoic acid in food industry. Fatty acid in a soap making. Ascorbic acid in a medicine. In this way, uses of base. Sodium hydroxide is used for manufacturing soap. Calcium hydroxide is used for manufacturing of bleaching powder, softening of hard water and neutralization. Potassium hydroxide is used in alkaline batteries. Magnesium hydroxide is used as a base to neutralize acidity in stomach. Aluminum hydroxide is used as a foaming agent in fire extinguishers. Ammonium hydroxide is used to remove grease stains from the cloths. In this way, my dear student, we are going to talk about uses of salt. First salt name, ammonium chloride used for in torch battery, ammonium nitrate in fertilizer, calcium chloride in drying agent, iron sulfate in iron tablet, magnesium sulfate in medicine, potassium nitrate in group gunpowder acid ATCE, silver bromide in photography, sodium chloride making soda, sodium hydroxide as well, sodium estrate in making soap. Here is you have to see that on a picture what happened when acid and base is reaction does occurs. Go through the pictures that the action happened, that is neutralization. Acid and base, it is produce a salt and water. You know, have you see that through the picture, acid plus base does react and the final product is given salt plus water. In this way, go through the example. Hydrochloric acid HCl plus sodium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid is the acid and sodium hydroxide is the base, and as acid and base react, then final product is comes what? Salt plus water. That is the sodium chloride is the common salt which is also used as a eating purpose point of view as well. Water is formed. In this way, the general balance formula of neutralization is acid plus base turned into salt plus water. In this way, my dear student, we are going to talk about reaction of acid. Acid plus metal gives finally product salt plus hydrogen gas. Next, acid react with metal oxide, then the final product is give salt plus water. acid plus metal hydroxide gives salt plus water. Acid plus carbonate gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. In this way, acid plus hydrogen carbonate, salt plus water and carbon dioxide give. Uses of calcium hydroxide. It can be used as a cavity cleaner of soft base or low strength base. Material of choice for pulp capping in extremely deep areas as an antibacterial agent. It can be used with composite resin as it does not interfere with the polymerization. Next, base react with metal to gives metal add salt with hydrogen gases. General forms: base plus metals, metalate, hydrogen gives. Example: 2NaOH, sodium hydroxide plus zinc gives final product metalate. Metalate is sodium zincate, Na2ZNO2 plus H2. In this way, another example is given. You should keep in our mind one note. You have to see that in this picture, all alkalis are base, but all base are not alkalis. Why? Where it is telling that? The reason is that the all alkalis is soluble in water. That's why the all alkalis are base, but all base are not dissolved in water. That's why the all alkalis are not the all base are not alkalis. You can see that here is the OH group, which is only present in alkali. When it mixed with the water, then it will be easily soluble. But when we are going to talk about the base, this yellow color represent, this does not react directly in water. In this way, this video is complete. I hope that you will watch this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment videos.